If you have a Samsung device that doesn't have a headphone jack, then it's a bit of a problem because normal converters like this one, which is available in offline market like in nearby store, just doesn't work with Samsung devices. It just doesn't recognize it. In short, you need specific converter which is from Samsung only in order to make it work. It's a bit of a nightmare because on samsung.com the converter, firstly it's very expensive. It's at 700 rupees just this piece. And also another problem is there are no stocks available. Like most of the time you need to wait for stock to be available in order to buy it from them. I just recently brought this and let's unbox this converter and see what's the difference. So here is my S21 Ultra, and as you all know, this device doesn't have a headphone jack, as you can see. Let's open the package and see what we have got. To be honest, package looks pretty neat and there is no much protection outside, but definitely it has been wrapped really nice from inside. As you can see, it says Samsung shop and 100% recyclable. Okay, whatever. Let me just try to open this straight. Okay. So inside the box we have got our invoice, and here it is. As you can see, the price $6.99 guys. Okay, so let me keep this to the side, and here is the actual converter. So talking about the packaging, as you can see, let me remove this one, and there are a couple of things written here and also the MRP, which is again $6.99. So let me just open this. We have a small seal on both of the sides, as you can see. Here it is. So let's just try to open this. Nice packaging, and we have another leaflet here. Okay, let me put that to the side, and here is our converter. As you can see, let's try this on our S21 Ultra, and this should definitely work. Let me put all this to the side first and let's connect it. And once I connect this, we should not see any notification popping up like unsupported or anything as such. So here it is. As you can see, it says charging connected device via USB. Okay, whatever. Let me try a 3.5mm headphone first. So I have got an headphone here and it has got this 3.5mm pin. Let's connect and try. Okay, and it works. So this is coming from my headphones guys. So that was from my headset and it's working 100%. To be honest, this doesn't seem good because other brands like OnePlus, where any converter will work, even like a 100 rupee converter will work, or even like a 200 rupee converter will work, and we need not to wait for stock on samsung.com, and also we need not to pay that high price of 700 rupees just for a piece of converter. It's pretty much like copying Apple. That's what Samsung has been doing lately. So I don't really support this, since you don't even get this thing inside your box. So guys, this was a quick little unboxing and test of this USB-C headphone jack adapter from samsung.com for the S21 Ultra and pretty much any Samsung device that doesn't have an headphone jack. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also follow me on Instagram, links are in the description. This is all about technology 24/7. Signing off for the moment. You guys have a great day. Peace.